Hello chess friends, chess lovers, welcome to today's tutorial. In this particular video, I'll be introducing to you the basic of attacking and defending in chess. How you can calculate a particular position well before making any move to know if it is a good trade or a bad trade. So let's look at the screen. We have a position on the board. From the last two lessons, we know the value of pieces and we know how to take undefended pieces. But what about trade? How can one figure out whether a trade is good or bad? Now, a certain amount of visualization is necessary. You can't hope to win if you don't at least try to predict the future. Because of the first nature of trading, is a good place to start. Here is a simple example about trading. Now, White is wondering whether it is good to capture the pawn on b5. Is it? Let's do a bit of visualization first. The first thing we should do is mentally make a list of all the white pieces that can take the black pawn. Now the white knight can take the pawn. The white knight can take the pawn and the white bishop also can take the pawn. So let's make another list which includes the list of the pieces that are defending this pawn. Well, the black bishop is defending the pawn. So now it is a very good idea to capture the pawn in this situation. But before you capture the pawn, which piece in the piece you are using to capture the pawn that is of lesser value? It is very advisable to start capturing or start a trade with the piece that has lesser value. So mentally in my head, these two pieces, like we've studied in the value of pieces, white knight and white bishop are 3 points. So I can start with any of them to launch this particular trade. So if I am to play this move, I won't just play it now. Now let me calculate if it's a good trade or a bad trade, and this is how I do it. Now if knight captures the pawn, I have 1 point. If the bishop captures back, the bishop has 3 points, my knight. Then I'll capture the bishop back and have 3 points. So the point for the black bishop and the black pawn, 1 plus 3 is 4. Then the point for the black, which is my white bishop, is 3. So bishop 3, bishop to the black is 3. To my side, which is white, I have 4. So it's a nice trade. I'm winning. So I'll go ahead and capture. I take with the knight. Capture with the knight. Bishop captures, and I capture the bishop back. Good. This is a good trade. So I proceed with it. I am winning. Over to example 2. Let's see. Now I can make a list of I can notice that my bishop and my knight and this pawn are eyeing this particular square. My knight and the bishop and the pawn are attacking this particular square which contains a pawn. So how can I proceed with this particular attack? What I should do is, since my knight and bishop and pawn are attacking this square, what are protecting the pawn? These 2 pawns are also protecting that pawn. So to carry out this particular attack, I will start with the piece of less value from my side. Now, by 3 attacking piece, I have the pawn which is the lowest in value, which is 1. So I can start with it by launching this operation. So once I capture with the pawn and I have 1 point and my opponent captures back, it is now like a draw point, one point for the both of us. If I capture with my bishop or my knight, I'm going to lose more piece. So I stop here. That's equal trade. We just traded pieces, no advantage. We are still on equal positions. Now take a look at this third example. I have my rook and my rook are attacking this particular pawn, and the bishop also is attacking this particular pawn. Now what should I do? I won't just play. Let me calculate in my head. The pawn is standing on a6. My bishop can capture it. If bishop captures the pawn, pawn captures back. I capture the rook, then I'm attacking the queen. The queen can choose to escape. Now, what are the points that I've gone? I've taken 2 points. I've taken 2 pawns, which is 2 points, and he's having my bishop, which is 3. So I am losing. Therefore, I won't continue with this particular trade. That is how I know if the trade is good or bad. So if you've learned something from this particular attacking and defending skills, learn to apply it in your own games too, and your game will be better. It helps you develop your visualization skills and enable you to understand transaction, how to trade better on the chessboard. Thank you for watching, and if you have enjoyed my video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friends. Enjoy.